Hey, welcome to this Looker tutorial. In this video you will see how to create bar chart in Looker. So let's get started. First, to be able to create charts, we need to explore data that we have. So let's click on Explore and let's choose one of the data sources that we have. So let's click, for example, on these events and let's see what data we have here. Basically, we will be able to see different tables that we have. We also have results. Currently we don't have any data here, but let's find something interesting for us. Let's click on these events. As you can see, we have a lot of, let me close this. We have a lot of dimensions here, but we have only one measure. So this is not that interesting for us. Let's try with users. Basically, it's the same. Session facts. Okay, let me find some different source. I'm gonna use this order items. Let's click on inventory items. Or let's try this one. Okay, this is perfect. Let's also see these products. Excellent. Basically, now let's say that we would like to create bar chart. So let's use brand dimension, and also we need one measure. In this case, it will be, for example, this total revenue. Let's click on that one. If I click on run, let's see what data we have here. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of brands. What we can do here? We can click on this visualization to be able to create our chart. If I click on that, as you can see, default is table because we have a lot of values. But let's click on this column chart. In this case, basically we have a lot of values, so it's not very suitable for bar chart. But let me click on this edit. Let's scroll down and let's click limit displayed rows. Instead of hide, let's choose show first. I'm gonna choose 10 rows. As you can see, now we are able to see first 10 values. We could also, for example, hide legend, unhide it. We have this inner spacing. For example, let's type 0.5 and you will be able to see that now this is different. Okay, if I put spacing 0.8 here, it's also smaller. Let's put 0.2 for example. And this is much better. We could also show percent of previous. So basically we will be able to see that this value is 70% of this one here, and so on. We can also choose some other options. For example, this one, this, that option. Okay, great. Let's try this one. This is not very interesting for us in this case. So let me go back to none. Okay, perfect. Let's go to this series. Now we are able to change color. For example, we have now different color. If we choose this one, it will be also different. We could also show full field name here. We can change manually this color. For example, we could use something like this. Also, if we click on these values, we could add value labels. If I click on this, I will be able to change also this one. We could reverse axis. We could exclude axis name, value labels, grid lines, and so on. If I click on this one, we also have similar options here, as you can see. Let's try this one. As you can see, it's different. We could provide axis name, format, density, and so on. We could add reference line, for example. We could choose that to be range. Basically, we can choose different values. Let's use maximum, for example. We could provide label. Let's try with test. Label position. We could put it to be in the center. We could change that color, format, and also we could add trend line. Excellent. Basically, we have a lot of options regarding this bar chart, but basically it's up to you to choose which one is interesting for you. Okay, with this, I'm gonna conclude this lesson. Thank you for watching.